Hey everyone, if you just got your hands on an Amazon Fire TV stick and are itching to dive into streaming paradise, you're in the right place. Let's get that device up and running faster than you can say binge watch. First things first, gather your gear. You'll need a TV with an HDMI port and a decent internet connection. In the Fire TV stick box, you'll find the stick itself, a power adapter, a micro USB cable, 2 AAA batteries, an HDMI extension, and the remote control. Step 2, let's connect your Fire TV stick. Simply plug it into an HDMI port on your TV. Then, connect the micro USB cable to your Fire TV stick and the other end to the power adapter. Now, plug that into a power outlet or a USB port on your TV. Easy, right? Next up, power on your TV and switch the input to the HDMI port where your Fire TV stick is connected. Now, pop those AAA batteries into the remote. Alright, let's talk about this remote. It's got a directional trackpad for navigating, a select button in the middle, a home button, a 3 lines icon for more settings, and media controls like rewind, fast forward, pause, and play. There's also volume control, a mute button, and a power button at the top. And don't forget the voice button for voice controls, just hold it down to activate. Moving on to the initial setup, hit the home button on your remote and the startup screen will pop up. Use the play, pause button to continue. Select your language using the up and down arrows, then hit select. Next, pick your Wi-Fi network and type in your password if it's protected. Hit connect to link up to the internet. Now, if you're already an Amazon user, sign in with your credentials. If not, no worries, just hit create an account. Choose continue to have your Wi-Fi password saved for easier access next time. Setting up parental controls is a breeze too. Just add a PIN code to keep the little ones from making unexpected purchases or watching inappropriate content. Pair the remote with your TV by selecting your TV's make and follow the on-screen instructions. Test the volume control to make sure everything is in sync. Finally, time to personalize your home screen. Click Get Started, select your favorite streaming apps and TV channels using the right arrow, and then hit Finish. And voila! Your apps will download and you're all set to enjoy your favorite shows and movies. Easy setup, right? Now go enjoy that well-deserved streaming session. Thanks for tuning in and happy streaming.